One other thing that I like to mention before I dive right in is, unfortunately, like all software platforms, Smartsheet does experience intermittent, issues or something like that. You want to make sure that you can see when something is down. Oftentimes, right, I want to be able to see, let's see here. I forget off the top of my head what it is because I get the notifications. Status. So you can actually go into, and anytime, so honestly, if you're not a Smartsheet client or a Smartsheet user already, it's really important to think about when you're evaluating software. One of the things I like to do is actually go and look at their incident history and their status to see what their uptime is. So it's not just what their SLA is saying 99.9, but like how many issues have they actually had and how do you see the visibility and how quickly do they make any updates if something comes up. So here, there is a Smartsheet status page that is always available. And if anything comes up, you can see the specifics of what it is, what is impacted by it. But what's really nice is you can see kind of what their past incidents are and what they were. And Smartsheet is pretty good about updating and telling you how often they're going to update if anything happens. So you can see here kind of what their most recent incidents are. And I would say that they're actually pretty good. And again, you can subscribe to those updates. So if you are considering, picking a software, one of the things I like to do is look at their status page and look at their history.